out here at one of the properties. Jorge's about to get the cows together. Those are the two we're trying to get right now to put them with the other cows. I'm really just here for support because I don't know how to do any of this. Jorge told me to stay where I'm at. I think I may spook them, or they may just come running and I get trampled. So either is definitely an option. See them right there. They're hiding. I don't know where Jorge and Jeff are, but obviously they don't have the cows yet. Alright, well, we found Jeff. He's stressed out. And the cows. And here I am. Just thriving and surviving. I wish I would have caught it, but Jeff almost had them. They're gone. Alright guys, we had to get out the big machinery, aka the trucks. Cause cows.
Ain't nobody chasing these motherfuckers down. We ain't got no voices. Probably went right through there.
Jeffrey has decided to take it into his own hands. He ain't catching no cow. Run, Forrest, run! Well, now I'm in the driver's seat. Supposed to be steering them in the right direction. I got the cows in a corner. I don't have my partners. So if they try to run, what do I do? Wrangling cows is like a whole thing. Oh.